Hi, I'm Rod Glover, and I'm going to name all the fall coloring plants I can think off the top of my head. In 1 minute. Let's see, you got your aspens, yellow and red fall colors. You got your amber maples, red leaves in the fall. Red buds are yellow. A lot of burning bush, of course, turn red. I love mums because they bloom in the fall, and as well as the asters. I also like pansies that bloom in the fall and next spring. A lot of the shrubs have beautiful fall color. I like the pines that get their yellow needles in the fall and the winter. And I think my minute's up.
Got anything you want to add to the list, Bryce?
He took them all. Other than a lot of trees and shrubs are very pretty with their leaves off, like the dogwoods, of course, and um,
These fire
the
vines.
white birch are very beautiful. You don't see too much of those anymore. And then the evergreens just really show off in the winter when everything else is white or no color. I mean, that's why you need to have evergreens in your landscape.
Perfect.
Hey, this is Erica with Glover Nursery. Regan challenged me to name as many trees or shrubs or whatever I can in less than a minute that changed with really cool fall colors. So we're going to start at the top of the nursery. Okay, crab apples are really pretty. Red buds turn color. Oaks turn really nice colors. Like Crimson Spire is fantastic. Any of the maples are going to turn red, orange, or yellow. That'll include the Japanese maples like this one behind me. Honey locusts turn a really nice golden yellow. Ginkgos turn yellow. Zelkovas turn like a rusty orange. Pear trees, flowering pear trees are
10 seconds.
Stunning in the fall. Let's see what else. Oh, larch, they drop their needles. They turn yellow.
5 seconds.
Let's see. I don't know.
Little blue stem.
Little blue stem. That's a grass.
Burning bush.
Burning bush. That's a shrub.
All right, we know there's more, Erica. You did great. We'll do it again.
Thanks.
In 1 minute, name as many plants, trees, shrubs, perennials, grasses as you can that have a nice fall color.
Fall,
Go.
Ginkgo biloba. As I really like. Oh, my brain.
I know,
Yeah, on the spot.
On the spot.
Honey locusts have a really pretty fall color, yellow fall color. You have some of the sunshine maples, kind of have an orangey red color. You have, I really like aronia. They have a really fall color. The tiger eye sumac are really pretty.
Blue grasses that turn red.
Oh,
Blue, I'm giving you a hint.
yes, sure.
Echinacea.
Yes, echinaceas are pretty. My brain, I'm thinking trees and shrubs mostly.
You're good. That's 2 seconds.
2 seconds.
1 second.
Aspens.
That was awesome. In 1 minute, you get to list all of the fall coloring trees, shrubs, grasses, or perennials that you can possibly list in 1 minute with no warning. Go.
Fothergia, oakleaf hydrangea, chokeberry aronia, burning bush, Grollo sumac, any of the Sunset Series maples. Here's one, roses. They don't turn colors, but they bloom again big time in the late summer and into the fall.
Wouldn't have thought of that. 20 seconds.
Panicum for grasses. For perennials, wild geranium, like the actual real geranium, the bloody cranesbill stuff, really pretty. Strawberries.
You still have like 5 more seconds.
That's it. That's all I got.
Okay, you did good. Good job. You have 1 minute to name all of the trees, shrubs, grasses, or perennials that have beautiful fall color.
Okay, so beautiful fall color. We are, let's see, burning bush, the obvious. Los Cape Moundaronia maples, mostly your like the Pacific sunset, the ruby sunsets, any of the sunsets have really beautiful red color. The Royal Raindrop Crabapple has a great red color. The Zelkovas, elms have a beautiful fall color. Sweet gum, flowering pears.
You're doing great. You're doing great, actually.
Let's
So far, you're
see.
winning. Just show what
So
what's what.
the ginger spice 9-bark, gorgeous fall. Let's see. Plumbago.
5 seconds.
Time. Yep, the blue stems, Black Hawk blue stem is great.
I challenge you in a minute. Name as many fall color trees, shrubs, perennials, or grasses as you possibly can off the tip of your head.
Okay.
On your mark, get set, go.
Okay, so I have to name in a minute the trees, shrubs, perennials, fall grasses, fall colors.
Got 10 seconds down.
10 seconds down. Okay.
Right, 50 seconds.
So we've got our flowering pears. We've got the Zelkovas. We have maples, red buds for trees. With shrubs, burning bush really stands out. The coral beauty shrubs, they don't have a really cool leaf color, but they have a really cool berry in the fall. So I think that counts. And then when it comes to perennials, you've got the asters, mums with the fall foliage. I'm not really good with perennials. Annuals, you have pansies. I just spaced the name of the other one. This is a lot of pressure.
5, 4.
I don't know!